Why you can understand English but cannot speak? It's not your fault. I also had the same problem when I started learning this language. It is not your fault. If you are facing this problem, then you are at the right place. You are going to solve this problem. You are going to solve this problem. Because here I am going to tell you the practical tips. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Adi, and this channel is devoted for English learners, everyone who is a beginner, everyone who come from village areas, humble background and the medium background. They are afraid of speaking English, they are unable to speak good English, they just want to learn this language. What they don't know how to start, how to speak, how to follow the steps. What are the steps that we have to follow and we will be able to speak English? So this is why I started YouTube channel and I am uploading the videos continuously. Watch this video here. I am going to solve the problem. You can understand English but you cannot speak. Why is this happening? क्योंकि लिसनिंग और रीडिंग हम अपने बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. हमने अपने आप को इस एनवायरनमेंट में पहले से ही अडॉप्ट कर लिया है कि हम लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं और उसके साथ में रीडिंग भी कर रहे हैं, राइटिंग भी कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश में, क्योंकि हमारी क्लासों में फर्स्ट क्लास से 12th क्लास तक इंग्लिश एज अ सब्जेक्ट कंपलसरी होता है और इस वजह से हम इंग्लिश को अंडरस्टैंड भी कर लेते हैं काफ़ी हद तक और लिख भी लेते हैं, रीड भी कर लेते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट स्पीक बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ स्पीकिंग, एंड दैट इज द मेन पार्ट फॉर लर्निंग एनी न्यू लैंग्वेज. Speaking is compulsory, but we did not do that. So only because of this reason we can understand English but we cannot speak. This is the reality. This is why we are unable to speak in English language but we can understand very well. But don't worry if you have the same problem. Don't worry, I had the same problem before, but I have won. I have won this problem. I have won and I am speaking very well. I am able to think in English. I am able to speak very well English in front of anyone. I can talk in English. I can talk in phone call easily without getting afraid, without hesitating. I am going to tell you how can you do it too. How can you speak good English without getting afraid? First thing, what do you have to do? You have to stop the fear of making mistakes. You are just afraid of speaking because you are thinking about the mistakes. When I will speak and I will make many mistakes, people will laugh at me, my friends will laugh at me. What should I do? I cannot learn this language. This language is not mine. I can never learn this language. These kinds of thoughts are coming after you thought about making mistakes. So first thing, what do you have to do? You have to realize, you have to understand what is the reality behind every learner, behind every speaker who have learned this language. Who all have learned this language, they all have passed the same process. They all have made the mistakes. Even today they are making mistakes, but they are not afraid of making mistakes. Only because of this they are able to speak good English. So first thing I want to recommend you, you will have to stop the fear of making mistakes. Don't worry about this. Everybody makes mistakes. That is the fact. This is the fact. You will have to believe in. You will have to believe on it that everybody makes mistakes. Even today I make mistakes, a lot of mistakes, but I am able to make over the mistakes. After making mistakes, I just try to correct the mistakes. That is how you will be able to correct your mistakes and you will learn English. So you will have to stop thinking about the mistakes. Rather than thinking about the mistakes, you have to practice every day. Whatever you are able to speak, you have to speak. You have to practice. Okay? Second thing that is happening in your mind, I can relate because I also have passed the same process. I have gone through the same process. I can relate to you guys what is happening in your mind. In your mind, one thing is happening that I am unable to speak. You just started learning this language. You are a beginner. There are only some days have passed, and you are just thinking, I am unable to speak. I am unable to speak. I cannot speak this language. You are just demotivating yourself. Let me tell you something. The more you consume, the more you speak. The more you consume, the more you speak. जितना आप कंज्यूम करोगे उतना ही तो बोलोगे. You will have to consume a lot first and then you will have to speak. I'm not saying that you don't have to practice from your single day. You will have to practice from your single day. You have to start speaking from your first day itself. As much as you are able to. But as much as you will consume, the speaking practice will increase. The speaking tactics will improve. Automatically, you will be able to speak. The words will come to your mind because you have consumed a lot of content. You have gained knowledge about this language. You have you have understood what is the sentence, what are the sentences, what are the structures, different vocabulary, how to use those vocabulary, what are the phrases, what all are phrases I have learned, and then you are speaking very well. This is how you will be able to speak. Not you are just thinking from your single day, the words are not coming in my mind, how to start thinking, because you don't have enough knowledge about this language. You don't have enough content in your mind. You don't have enough sentences, vocabulary in your mind. That is why you are unable to think in English language. That is why you are unable to be fluent. So understand first, then learn. This is the fact that you will have to consume a lot, then you will be able to speak after. Okay. And number third, what is happening with you? That is, I don't have anyone to talk with. How can I practice? How can I speak in English language? I don't have. I come from village areas. There is no one, neither teachers nor friends with whom I can practice English language. So I'm going to tell you two things that you have to do. First, mirror technique. You just have to make yourself do. By using mirror, you just have to make yourself do, and you have to talk yourself. You have to talk in front of the mirror. This will help you. This will help you to learn this language. This will help you to practice English speaking without stepping out of your home. And this technique is amazing. This is very good technique. Everyone uses this technique. Whether you are a beginner or advanced, everyone uses this technique. And second thing that you have to follow, that is start making videos. I'm not saying that you have to upload the videos, but you have to shoot your video. After that, you have to reflect on yourself. You have to watch your video. You have to rewatch your videos. Where are you making faults? And after that, you have to correct the mistakes. You have to correct yourself so that you are not making the same mistakes in another video. You have to watch your first video again and again and correct that. And believe me, before when I did not start my YouTube channel, I was not very confident. I could not speak very well like I am speaking now, because I practiced. It is giving me an ace that I am able to watch my videos again and again. I have practiced a lot. Now I have confidence to speak in English language in front of anyone. I can talk in phone calls as well. And this is how you will be able to learn this language. I have talking about 3 steps in this video. Okay guys, so I have talking about all related things about learning this language. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment on my video. If you found something relevant while watching this video, you will definitely have to comment on my video. Have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.